Welcome back to Nuance Art, your ultimate destination for captivating home design and interior ideas that blend creativity with everyday elegance. Today, we're embarking on an enchanting journey to a hidden gem nestled on a whispering hillside, a small stone house with a circular design that feels like it was sculpted by nature itself. Imagine waking up to panoramic views where glass walls dissolve the boundaries between your cozy sanctuary and the wild embrace of rolling hills, pure romantic harmony at its finest. This isn't just a house, it's a love letter to sustainable living, where every curve and transparent pane invites the outdoors in, creating spaces that soothe the soul and spark inspiration. Whether you're a design enthusiast dreaming of your next project or simply seeking that perfect escape, this tour will leave you breathless. If you're new here or haven't already, hit that subscribe button right now for more weekly doses of artistic home vibes. Like this video to show your love, and drop a comment below. What's your ultimate nature-inspired dream home feature? Let's dive into this romantic whisper of architecture and uncover how it harmonizes glass, stone, and the earth's gentle poetry. As we step into this circular haven, prepare to feel the pulse of the hillside right beneath your feet. It's time to let nature's romance unfold. As we approach this small stone house perched gracefully on the hillside, the first thing that captivates is its seamless integration with the landscape, a true testament to thoughtful, eco-conscious design. The circular form isn't just aesthetic, it's a nod to ancient roundhouses, echoing the organic flow of the earth while maximizing solar exposure and wind resistance. Clad in rugged, locally sourced stone that mimics the surrounding boulders, the exterior blends invisibly into the terrain, as if the hill itself decided to carve out a romantic nook for dreamers. Lush vines and wildflowers cascade over the low stone walls, softening the structure and inviting pollinators to dance in the breeze. But the real magic? Those expansive glass panels curving around the perimeter, framing unobstructed vistas of misty valleys and golden sunsets. They act like liquid mirrors, reflecting the sky's moods and turning the house into a living lantern at dusk. This design philosophy, romantic glass meeting nature's raw harmony, ensures the home breathes with its environment, reducing energy needs through passive heating and natural light. Stroll the winding stone path leading up, and you'll hear the subtle symphony of rustling leaves and distant birdsong, pulling you closer. It's not merely a building, it's a dialogue between human ingenuity and the hillside's timeless whisper, proving that small-scale architecture can be profoundly impactful. For anyone inspired to replicate this, consider how your own plot could host such a circular sentinel, nature's invitation to slow down and savor. Crossing the threshold of this small stone house, the circular entryway welcomes you with an immediate sense of ritual and romance, like stepping into a secret garden pavilion. The rounded door, framed in weathered oak and etched with subtle floral motifs, swings open to reveal a foyer that flows effortlessly into the main living space. No harsh angles, just a gentle curve that guides your eye and spirit inward. Overhead, a skylight dome pours diffused sunlight, casting ethereal patterns on the polished stone floor, which continues seamlessly from outside, blurring the line between arrival and arrival at peace. Here, the romantic glass elements shine. Floor-to-ceiling windows arc around the entry, offering teasing glimpses of the hillside's emerald embrace, while sheer linen curtains soften the light for those intimate dawn moments. This design choice fosters a profound connection to nature, where the whisper of wind through nearby trees becomes your personal soundtrack. Adorned minimally with a hand-woven rug in earthy terracotta tones and a single vase of foraged wildflowers, the space embodies Nuance Art's ethos of understated luxury, inviting you to pause, breathe, and let the home's circular geometry realign your energy. It's a harmonious prelude, reminding us that great interiors start with an entry that feels like a lover's soft call. As we linger here, envision adapting this for your own home. A rounded vestibule could transform any urban threshold into a hillside escape, harmonizing the chaos of the world with nature's quiet romance. Venturing deeper into the living area, the heart of this small stone house pulses with circular design brilliance, where every element conspires to create a cocoon of romantic intimacy amid nature's grandeur. The central lounge forms a perfect ring, with built-in stone benches curving around a low, central hearth, fueled by eco-friendly gel logs that flicker like captured stars. This setup encourages communal gathering in a way linear rooms never could, drawing loved ones into a natural huddle, as if around an ancient campfire on the hillside. The romantic glass walls dominate, wrapping the space in a 270-degree panorama. One moment, you're sipping tea while watching deer graze below. The next, rain patters softly against the panes, turning the room into a private symphony hall. Neutral palettes of warm grays, soft beiges, and hints of sage green palette the furnishings. A plush sectional in organic linen, accented by throw pillows embroidered with leaf motifs, ensuring the views remain the true artwork. Overhead, exposed wooden beams arch like the ribs of some gentle beast, supporting a ceiling fan that mimics a slow, breathing rhythm. This harmony of materials, stone grounding, glass uplifting, wood bridging, embodies sustainable romance, minimizing visual clutter while amplifying the home's whisper to the wild. For interior aficionados, it's a masterclass in flow. No dead corners, just perpetual motion toward beauty. Imagine recreating this circle in your space. It could redefine family evenings, letting nature's harmony seep into every conversation. Tucked into the circular flow, the kitchen emerges as a culinary canvas where functionality dances with a romantic glass and nature's whisper, proving that even in a compact 800-square-foot home, meal prep can feel like an artistic ritual. The U-shaped counters, crafted from reclaimed walnut with stone inlays, hug the curve of the wall, optimizing every inch for efficiency while opening to the living circle. No isolating walls, just an invitation for cooks and companions to mingle. A generous island, topped with honed soapstone, doubles as a breakfast bar, its edges softened to echo the house's organic lines. But oh, the views! Arcing glass doors lead to a petite herb garden terrace, flooding the space with morning light and the scent of fresh basil mingling with hillside pines. Stainless steel appliances are subtly integrated, their sleek lines contrasting the rustic charm, while open shelving displays artisanal pottery and earthy glazes. Think ochre mugs and cobalt bowls that catch the light like jewels. A farmhouse sink faces outward, so suds-up sessions become meditative vigils over the valley's mist. This design harmonizes the practical with the poetic. Passive ventilation through operable glass vents keeps the air crisp, and built-in compost chutes nod to zero-waste living. In Nuance art style, it's about infusing soul into the everyday, chopping vegetables while the sunset paints the hills in rose. For your own kitchen dreams, consider how a circular layout could turn cooking into a love affair with nature, one harmonious slice at a time. Ascending a gentle spiral stone staircase, its treads worn smooth like a lover's touch, we arrive at the bedroom, an intimate nest where the small stone house's circular design reaches its most romantic crescendo. This upper-level sanctuary wraps around home's core, with a king-size platform bed centered under a vast, circular skylight that frames the night sky like a private observatory. Waking here means greeting the dawn through encircling glass walls, where the hillside's wildflowers seem to bloom just inches away, their colors shifting from lavender haze to fiery amber. The bed, draped in crisp white linens with subtle embroidery of vine patterns, floats on a sea of wide plank oak flooring, warmed by underfloor hydronic heating for those crisp hill mornings. Sheer canopy curtains, drawn from bamboo silk, allow privacy without severing the nature connection, creating a veil of whispered intimacy. A built-in wardrobe curves with the wall, its doors of frosted glass hiding folded cashmere throws and scented lavender sachets. Minimalist nightstands hold beeswax candles and field guides to local flora, encouraging lazy reads about the very landscape enveloping you. This space harmonizes rest with romance. The stone's thermal mass keeps temperatures steady, while strategic glazing maximizes winter sun and summer shade via automated louvers. It's a whisper from nature itself, gentle, enveloping, eternal. Channeling Nuance Art's vision, this bedroom inspires us to rethink sleep as a dialogue with the earth, where every breath syncs with the hillside's quiet pulse. Could your retreat echo this bliss? Adjoining the bedroom, the bathroom unfolds as a spa-like retreat that elevates the small stone house's theme of romantic glass and nature harmony to a level of pure, indulgent reverie. Tucked into a curved alcove, it features a freestanding soaking tub of volcanic basalt, positioned to gaze out through a panoramic glass window onto a private cascade of ferns and trickling stream. Bathing here is like immersing in the hillside's own thermal spring. The floor, a mosaic of river pebbles set in epoxy, massages bare feet with natural texture, while walls of honed limestone rise to meet a rain showerhead that mimics a gentle downpour from the heavens. A double vanity, hewn from a single walnut slab, cradles vessel sinks of hand-blown glass, their translucent bowls catching light like captured dewdrops. Towel warmers embedded in the stone glow softly, and a heated bench invites lingering post-soak reflections. The romantic interplay peaks with a living green wall of moss and air plants fed by a hidden irrigation system, purifying the air and infusing it with earthy freshness. Skylights above diffuse the day's moods, turning steam sessions into ethereal fog within the trees. This design isn't just functional. It's a sensory poem, water, stone, and glass conspiring for tranquility that rivals any luxury resort, all while honoring sustainable flows with low-flow fixtures and greywater recycling. In the spirit of nuance art, it's a reminder that personal care spaces can be portals to nature's whisper, transforming routines into rituals of romance. Envision this serenity in your home. Pure harmony awaits. Stepping out from the circular embrace, the outdoor extensions of this small stone house extend the tour into the hillside's very lap, where terraces and pathways weave an unbroken thread of romantic glass and nature harmony. A semicircular deck, cantilevered from the stone base with recycled steel beams, juts boldly yet gracefully over the slope, furnished with Adirondack chairs and weathered teak that invites sunset toasts. Glass railings, tempered and frameless, preserve the vertigo of openness, letting you feel suspended in the landscape's arms, with wild grasses brushing your toes. Below, a fire pit ringed by boulders mirrors the home's hearth, perfect for stargazing evenings where the flames' dance reflects in the house's glowing windows. Native perennials border the edges, their blooms calibrated to the seasons. Spring's lupins yield to summer's black-eyed Susans, ensuring year-round color without demanding upkeep. A hammock strung between young maples sways like a cradle, whispering invitations to nap amid birdsong. This extension philosophy, indoor-outdoor seamlessness, amplifies the home's intimacy. Retractable glass screens allow breezes to flow freely, while solar lanterns cast a soft, amber glow at twilight. It's sustainable romance in action. Permeable pavers manage runoff, and pollinator gardens support biodiversity. Drawing from Nuance Art's palette of inspired living, these spaces teach us that true design spills beyond walls, harmonizing human nests with the Earth's endless poetry. Picture extending your own patio this way, a hillside's romantic call, just to build away. Peeling back the layers, the sustainable secrets of this small stone house reveal how its circular design, romantic glass, and nature harmony aren't just beautiful. They're brilliantly engineered for a lighter footprint on the planet. At its core, passive solar principles guide the layout. The south-facing curve captures winter sun through triple-glazed panels with low-E coatings, slashing heating bills by 40%, while thermal mass from the stone walls stores that warmth like a natural battery. Rainwater harvesting funnels hillside runoff into subterranean cisterns, feeding the graywater system for irrigation and flushing. Zero waste, pure efficiency. The circular form minimizes material use, with walls averaging just 8 inches thick yet insulated with sheep's wool for whisper-quiet interiors and R30 values. Off-grid solar arrays, discreetly mounted on the roof's gentle pitch, power everything from the induction cooktop to the smart shading louvers that automate for optimal light control. Even the furnishings whisper eco-tales, reclaimed wood accents, organic cotton upholstery treated with plant-based dyes, and LED fixtures mimicking natural circadian rhythms. This isn't greenwashing. It's romantic intentionality, design that woos the earth back, fostering biodiversity with bat houses and bee hotels integrated into the stone facade. For Nuance Art viewers passionate about interiors with purpose, these elements inspire replication. Start small, like adding glass clear stories to your space, and watch harmony bloom. It's proof that hillside dreams can be gentle giants, balancing beauty with the planet's quiet plea for partnership. As our tour of this small stone house with its mesmerizing circular design on the hillside draws to a close, we're left with a lingering echo of nature's romantic whisper, a harmonious symphony of glass panes catching the light, stone walls cradling the earth, and spaces that invite us to live more deeply connected. From the entry's gentle curve to the terrace's open embrace, every detail reminds us that home design at its pinnacle is about crafting sanctuaries where romance and reality entwine, turning ordinary moments into poetry. Whether you're sketching plans for your own hillside haven or simply daydreaming over coffee, let this inspiration fuel your creative spark. After all, true beauty lies in the harmony we build with our surroundings. Thank you for joining me on this enchanting exploration here at Nuance Art, where we celebrate the art of living beautifully. If this video stirred your design soul, please smash that like button to spread the vibes, subscribe for more immersive home tours and interior ideas dropping every week, and comment below which feature, the glass walls, circular flow, or eco secrets, spoke to you most and why. Your thoughts keep our community thriving. Until next time, may your spaces whisper back with nature's own romance. See you in the hills of imagination.